Why chronic stress slows healing. You can't heal in the same environment that made you sick. And sometimes that environment is your own body. When your body thinks you are in danger, it floods your system with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. In short bursts, this is useful. It sharpens focus, it pushes blood to your muscles and helps you act fast. But when stress never switches off, whether it's from work pressure, chronic pain, or constant worry, those same hormones can stop helping and can start hurting. Cortisol keeps inflammation high, which slows tissue repair. Adrenaline keeps your heart rate up and your digestion down. Over time, the immune system stops responding properly, and healing after illness, surgery, or a neurological injury takes longer. Think of it like trying to update your phone while the battery is at 5%. The system keeps shutting down essential functions just to stay on. Your body does the same. Repair gets paused when survival mode is draining all the power. And research backs this up. Studies show people under long-term stress recover more slowly from wounds and infections, and they experience higher relapse rates after illness. Here's the key difference. Acute stress, the short kind, helps you survive. But chronic stress, the long kind, tells your brain to stay in survival mode, not repair mode. So what can you do right now? Be kind to your body. Slow your breathing until your exhale is longer than your inhale. Add warmth, like a blanket or gentle heat on tense muscles. Take a short break from noise or screens and let things go quiet. If you can, move gently, a short walk, a stretch, or rolling your shoulders to release tension. None of these fix stress, but they ease the load so healing can begin again. This is explained simply by neuromassage and wellness, because recovery, wellness, and care should be accessible to everybody.